In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable scrolling in Webflow www full screen menu eyes open. By the end, you'll know the simplest way to stop the page from moving in the background whenever your full screen menu or overlay appears, keeping the focus exactly where you want it. Start by opening your Webflow project and head to the specific page where your full screen menu lives. This keeps your changes scoped to the right place and makes it easy to preview the result in context. With the page open in the designer, look to the navigator and select the top-level page wrapper. In Webflow, that's the body element. If you're unsure you've got the right one, check the label in the selector field. You should see body highlighted, which indicates you're styling the page root rather than a smaller section or div. With the body selected, move over to the right side of the interface and click the Style panel, the one with the paintbrush icon. This is where all of your CSS properties live for the selected element. We're going to adjust a single property that controls whether content can spill and scroll. Overflow. Scroll within the Style panel until you find the Overflow control under Layout. By default, it's typically set to Visible or Auto, which allows the page to scroll normally. Change this setting to Hidden. What this does is tell the browser to clip anything that extends beyond the viewport, and importantly, it disables scrolling when applied to the body. In practice, that means the background content will stay perfectly still behind your full screen menu. A quick note on behavior. Setting Overflow to Hidden on the body locks the page's scroll. This is ideal for full screen overlays, modals, and menus because it prevents accidental background interaction and maintains a clean user experience. If you toggle your menu open in preview mode, you should now see the page remain fixed with no vertical movement or bounce. If you're not seeing the effect, double check that you truly selected the body and not a section, wrapper, or the main element inside your layout. Also confirm the property is on the Style panel for the body, not applied via a combo class to another element. Finally, know that some fixed position elements can create the appearance of movement. The page itself should remain locked once Overflow is hidden on the body. And that's it. You've disabled background scrolling for your full screen menu using a single, reliable setting. Save your changes, give it a test on desktop and mobile, and enjoy the smoother, more focused menu experience.